ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir. Yes teacher. Present ma'am.
Hello children, how do you do? All are good? Okay, I welcome the 6th standard children for the English class of second language. It is lesson number 3, how do bees make honey? This is part 2. Children, I request you all to please stand up and sing a rhyme along with me. Shall we start? Okay. The green grass grew all around the fence and the green grass grew all around. The green grass grew all around the fence and the green grass grew all around. There was a park, a lovely, lovely park, a beautiful, lovely park, and the green grass grew all around. The green grass grew all around the fence and the green grass grew all around. There was a tree, a lovely, lovely tree, a beautiful, lovely tree. The tree was in the park and the green grass grew all around. The green grass grew all around the fence and the green grass grew all around. There was a nest, a lovely, lovely nest, a beautiful, lovely nest. The nest was on the tree was in the park and the green grass grew all around. The green grass grew all around the fence and the green grass grew all around. There were eggs, lovely, lovely eggs, beautiful, lovely eggs. The eggs were in the nest was on the tree was in the park and the green grass grew all around. The green grass grew all around the fence and the green grass grew all around. Children, did you enjoy the rhyme? Okay, in this rhyme you have many prepositions, children, like on, in, isn't it? Yes, you just sing once again and mark all the prepositions. Will you do it? Around, yes children. Okay, now we are going to go for today's topics. Children, today's topics are vocabulary development. In the vocabulary development, we will have all the new words. And then we have language practice. How are we going to speak? And we are going to complete the activity. And then I have dictionary work. We will take up meanings. In that meanings, we are going to look up the dictionary. And then we are having comprehending text. That is the lesson. And after the text, we will have comprehension questions. After the comprehension questions, I have a new topic today, that is about sounds. We are going to learn about sounds. Children, today I have one activity for you. Shall we start the activity? Yes. Before I could start the activity, children, I want you to have a book and a pen to complete the task, and also I want you to have your textbook. Will you do it? Yes. Whenever I ask you questions, you are supposed to answer loudly. Will you do it? Yes, children. We are going to take up the activity now. See, children, write the action words. Yes, children. I have given you a word here, that is honey. Children, we all know that honey is very sweet, isn't it? Yes. Now, we are supposed to write the action words for this honey. Do you know what are action words? In the last class, we learnt about the action words. They are called as verbs. Isn't it, children? Yes. We like to eat the honey, isn't it? We like to apply it on the chapati and then roll and have it. Isn't it, children? Like that, we will write the action words. Will you do it? Yes. Did you get? Eat is also one of the action word. Yes. We will have a look now, children. First one. When we eat the honey, we will know the taste, that it is sweet. Isn't it, children? Yes. We can even pour the honey. And not only that, we can also eat the honey with the chapati. And then we can fill the honey. Yes, we can fill the honey in a bottle. All these are the action words. In the same way, I have one more activity. Are you ready to do it? Yes. Excellent. Okay. Now children, write the related words. Can you look at this, children? What is it? Can you read it? Yes, it is book. You all know there is a book. Yes. When you want to read it, what are you going to do it? You are going to open the book. Isn't it? Yes. Now, we can write the related words. It can be action words and it can be different words also, but it should be related to the book. Yes. What are we going to? We are going to read the book. We are going to write in the book. We are going to open the book, close the book. Isn't it, children? Yes. Very good. You told me that. Yes, book is also our friend. Yes, when nobody is there to talk to us, we can read the book and we can enjoy it. Okay, children. Book is our friend. Yes, we can lend the book. What do you mean by lend the book? We can give the book. Yes, give is the other word for lend. And we can write in the book. And also, we can read the book. Yes, we can take the book. And then also, we can close the book. Yes, many are the action words. Yes, these are the things which are related. Children, in the last class, we learnt about how the bee is going to make honey. Yes, the bees will fly, sit on the flower. Isn't it, children? After sitting on the flower, what it will do? Very good. It will suck the nectar. Yes, very good, children. After sucking the nectar, for how much of time it will keep it in the stomach? Do you remember? Yes, very good. It is half an hour. Yes. So it will mix up with what? Do you remember anyone? Yes, it will mix up with proteins, enzymes. Very good, children. You have learned the lesson. You have read the lesson, I think so. Okay. Now, I have a bee here. You are going to write all the things. Write the process of making honey. I'll give you 10 seconds, children. Yes, now I told you I am going to recall it. Will you do it? Yes, you can see the honeybees. Yes, one of the honeybees is sitting on the bloom flower. Yes. Yes, it is sitting on the flower. After sitting on the flower, what it will do? It will collect. Yes, children, it will collect. What does it collect? Yes, the juice. The juice is called as nectar. What is it called as? Nectar. After sucking the nectar, what it will do? Yes, it will keep the nectar for half an hour in the stomach. In the stomach, it will mix up with enzymes and it will mix up with proteins. After mixing up for half an hour, then it will become honey. So, honey will be very tasty. It will be very sweet. Isn't it, children? This is the activity of making honey. Did you understand? Shall we continue? Yes, children. Today we are going to take up one more activity. In this activity, find the names of insects. Yes, beautiful pictures, isn't it, children? What is this? Yes, everybody knows it. It's a butterfly. And can you see this? Do you remember the name? Yes. Very good. It's a spider. Okay. Now I am going to give you the names. We'll just look into it. So this is the butterfly and honeybee. Yes, these are honeybees. And next we have spider. Yes, it is building a web. Yes. Can you see this, children? This is also one of the insects. Yes. It is the grasshopper. It is the grasshopper. Then I have one more. And this is the helicopter. When you see this type of helicopters, yes, especially in rainy season, isn't it, children? Yes, when it is about to rain. Yes, these are some of the insects. Shall we go for the next, children? Yes. Now I have one more language practice for you. Children, in the last class, I told you about verbs. In that verbs, I told you about adding yes and yes, children, some of the action words. Yes. Now, children, I have two words here in the bracket. These are called as auxiliary verbs. What are they called as? Auxiliary verbs. What we are going to do is use the correct form of verbs and fill up. Children, auxiliary verbs are also called as helping verbs. Helping verbs means when it is singular, it is. When it is plural, it is are. Like, her name is Ramya. So, Ramya is only one girl, so it is. When it is more, we use it as are. Here, plants means more than one. What are we going to use? Yes, the auxiliary verb, that is are. Plants are very important to us. All the food people eat. Children, here we are going to take up food. Food means it is singular, so it should be comes. All the food people eat comes directly or indirectly from plants. This I have completed. The next you are supposed to complete it. Okay. Here, children, plants. I have given you two words, make and makes. Here it is plural. So, here it should be yes without yes. So, what? Good. And then what about this? They dash. You are supposed to write need and needs. They means singular or plural? Plural. Yes, children. So, when it is plural, it should be singular. Shall we do? Yes. Plants make their own food. They need chlorophyll, light, carbon dioxide, water, nutrients and minerals. The leaves. Leaves means plural. So, when it is plural, here it should be very good, children, without yes. Yes. The leaves contain a pigment called chlorophyll. Can you see the green color, children, here? This is called as chlorophyll. Shall we continue? Yes. The process of preparing food by plants using chlorophyll, water, nutrients and energy by sunlight is called photosynthesis. It is called as photosynthesis. The plants prepare their own food using all this, that is called as photosynthesis. The plants here, the plants is plural. So, yes, release. Very good. The plants release oxygen in the air. People and animals. Yes, children. Yes, here it is plural, so it is need. Need oxygen to breathe. Children, we all breathe in oxygen, isn't it? Yes. When we breathe in oxygen, we give out carbon dioxide. So, what do these plants do or trees do? The trees will take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Yes. So, only we are able to get lots of oxygen. So, only we are supposed to plant more and more trees. Shall we go for the next, children? Now, we are going to take up the new words and their meanings. Shall we do? Yes. Here is a word F-A-N, fan. What is it? Fan. Yes. Make air to move around. What does the fan do? Yes, there will be a ceiling fan and there will also be a table fan. Yes, it gives us air. When it is very hot, yes, it gives us air. Here, the fan makes the air to move around. The fan makes the air to move around. Okay, children. I have one more word here, wax. Yen gotta wax andre? Wax anta helidre mena anta. Menad batti nodidira? Haudu. So, smooth substance made by bees to seal the honey filled cells. It is called as wax. Namage honey sigutte, adu mele ee tara bandiruttalla, adella wax. It is called as wax athava mena anta heltivi. Yes, children. You can see here, yeah, they have blocked all the cells. Yes, those cells with the help of wax. And here there are so many, yes, honeycomb which is not blocked. So, there is no honey. Here and all there is honey. Isn't it, children? So, I have a sentence for you. The wax is used to seal the honeycomb. Yes, this is the honeycomb. To seal the honeycomb, we use the wax. These are the two new words. I have two more new words for you, children. See, I have a word regurgitate. Bring food that you have already swallowed back into your mouth. Children, here, these are the bees. The bees will take in nectar. Yes, when you take out the juice, that is called as nectar. So, it will swallow the nectar and will keep in the stomach for half an hour. It will mix up with enzyme and also what? Very good. Yes. After mixing it with enzymes, and then what it will do? It will bring it back to the mouth and then it will drop it in the honeycomb. Isn't it, children? Yes. I have a sentence for you here. The bees regurgitate honey and fill in the honeycomb. Regurgitate. ಹಸುಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಹಸು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಹಾಯ್ದು ಬೇಗ ತಿಂದು ಅದು ನುಂಗ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನುಂಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಕುಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಆ ಹುಲ್ಲನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಅಗಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿತೀರಾ? Yes, that is called as regurgitate. What is it called as? Yes, very good, children. Now, I have one more word for you. Dehydrate. Dehydrate. D-E-H-Y-D-R-A-T-E. Dehydrate. Remove the water from something. Yes, our body is full of water. Yes, sometimes when the water comes out, there will be dehydration. See, children, this water. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಂತಿ ಬೇದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸುಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ORS ಕುಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್. ರಿಮೂವ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಮೋಷನ್ಸ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಹೈಡ್ರೇಷನ್. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ORS ನೀರು ಅಥವಾ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕುಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. Isn't it, children? Now we are going to take up all these words and we are going to continue this lesson. Are you ready? Yes, children. Just recall the last 3 paragraphs of the lesson. We'll continue it now. The name of the lesson is How Do Bees Make Honey? And it is continuation. We are going to go for the next paragraph. Yes, children. To prepare for long-term storage, the bees fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey. The bees cap the honeycomb by wax and move on to the next empty comb. See, children, the bees will set, it will collect nectar, it will make honey and it will fill in the honeycomb. Yes, this is the honeycomb. It will fill in the honeycomb. Afterwards, it will put wax to it. It will seal it. And not only that, children, what it will do with the help of wings. Can you see the wings, children, here? Yes, it will fan. It will fan like this. Yes, it will fly and it will fan so that it will, block all the honeycombs. Yes, children, here. Fan their wings. With the help of wings, they will fan to thicken the honey. Honey ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದು ಗಾಳಿ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, children? And when one honeycomb is full, it will go to the next. And again, it will seal it with the wax. ಮೇಣದಿಂದ ಅದು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನ seal ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. We'll continue, children, now. So, in a nutshell, the honey is the regurgitated of the nectar dehydrated to enhance its nutritional properties. Yes, children. When the nectar is in the stomach, it will keep for half an hour. After keeping for half an hour, and then it will make it into honey and then it will put it in the honeycomb. Now, children, you can see the honeybee, children. This honeybee, when it takes the nectar will be having 80% of water. The nectar will be having that juice which is taken from the flower. It will be having 80% of water. Do you know 80%? Yes, only 20% of juice, the rest all water. But when it enters the stomach, in the stomach, it will be mixed with enzymes. Isn't, children? When it is mixed with enzymes, and then what happens? The nectar is converted into honey. Do you know how much of water is there in honey? Yes, it is only to 14 to 18%. 14 to 18% of water in the honey. Children, so like that it mixes up with enzymes. Okay children, we'll go for the next. Honey bees are divided as house bees and field bees. The house bees keep the house clean, well ventilated and build new combs to store honey. Field bees are older bees. They go away from house and search for nectar. See children, you can see so many bees. These bees are called as house bees. House bees means they will stay in the beehive and they will clean and well ventilated and they will make this honeycomb to store the honey. They will clean all the beehive. And what happens is they will build this new honeycomb. And afterwards the field bees. Field means they will fly and sit on the flower. Yes, they go and collect the flowers. These are called as field bees. And these bees are called as house bees. There are two types of bees, field bees and very good, house bees and field bees. Okay children, we'll go for the next. Honey bees do not live long. They work very hard. As a result, honey bee does not live longer than a month. Honey bee only will live for 1 month. Around 2000 bees die every day in a honey making process. Children, here this honey bee, it will only stay for 1 month. After 1 month it will die. Nearly 2000 bees die every day in making this honey. Honey making is very difficult. Children, so many bees die. Now children, the queen bee lays eggs and maintains the population of the hive. Because 2000 bees, they die. Because of that, the queen bee, what she will do? She will lay eggs and she will maintain the population of the hive. That is beehive. It will lay the eggs. We have come to the last, of this end of the lesson. But here children, I have comprehension questions. Activity 3, choose the correct answer and fill up. Children, here. See, I have how many fill-ups? 4 fill-ups. And I have, here I have answers. Eggs, 80%, 14 to 18%, flowers, wax. Now we are going to select the words, correct words and write. Can you do it? Honey bees feed on. Nectar contains of water. Honey contains dash of water. The queen bee lays what? Very good children. The queen bee lays eggs. Shall we have a look at it? Honey bees feed on. They are the flowers. Nectar contains. Nectar, the juice. Children. How much of water? Very good children. It is 80% of water. So honey contains. So after mixing up, it contains 14 to 18% of water. The queen bee lays eggs. Children, I have one more activity for you. Activity 4, answer the following. Where do bees drop the honey? Where do they drop the honey? Good. In the honeycomb. Bees drop the honey in the honeycomb. Honeycomb means the holes in the beehive. I have one more question. How are bees divided? The bees are divided into 2. Do you remember? These are field bees and these are house bees. Very good children. Bees are divided into house bees and field bees. What do you mean by the word regurgitate? After swallowing, bringing it back to the mouth. Very good children. Here. Regurgitate means bringing the swallowed food back into your mouth. I have 4th question. What is the work of the field bees? What is the work of the field bees? It will go from one flower to another flower. And collect nectar. Very good children. The field bees go out and collect nectar from the flowers. It is the work of the field bees. I have one activity children. this is activity 5. Apple milkshake recipe. Children, yes, I have some of the action words. Put, yes, put. Grind. Peel. Do you know what is peeling, children? Yes, here. Peel means, yes, to take out the skin. Andre, hannannu ariyodu. Then, mix. Serve. Yes, put it in the glass and give. Cut. Pour. Drink. Yes, we are going to use all these words and we are going to look at the milk shake. That is apple milkshake, children. Peel the apple. Yes. Cut the apple into small pieces. Put milk, sugar and apple to a mixer. Mix it by adding cardamom. Ilaichi anta heltive, cardamom. Yes. Grind the mixture. Yes, after grinding the mixture, pour the milkshake in the glasses. Yes, it will be poured into the glass. Serve it with the crushed ice. Ice cubes haki, adana kududre tumba taste agirutte. Drink the tasty apple milkshake. That is, a milkshake is ready. Yes, you try this at home, children. This is one of the recipe. And we can also have lemon juice also. Isn't it, children? Yes. We'll go for the next activity. This is activity 6. Same sound words. Children, there are so many words which I have given. Only some words is having the same sound. Children, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called as vowels. Okay, children? And those sounds, but there are 20 sounds in it. For example, apple. Though it is A, we say it is A. That is the sound. So, like that we have sounds. Now, look at all these words and some of the words which is having the same sound. Are you able to see? See here, here is a word which is watch. Wa. Park. Pa. Isn't it, children? Here. Make. Make. And I have a word here. Take. Take. Here is a word. High. High. Yes. The same sound word is buy. Buy. Okay, children? These are some of the same sound words. We'll have a look at the same sound words, children, here. Vowel sound. Here. Cool. Room. Ooh sound. Cool. Room. High. Buy. Make. Take. A sound. Pour. Sure. Pour. Sure. Wash. Park. Wash. Park. Beach. Meet. Beach. Meet. These are not the rhyming words, children. These are only the same sound words. Okay, children, we'll go for the next activity. Match the following. And now I have 2 columns here. In these columns, I have words. We are supposed to match them. In this, they are called as rhyming words. For example, first one is high. Which is the rhyming word of high? 5. Come on, do it fast. Okay, children, we'll just have a look. High, 5. Repeat. Wax, facts. Honey, money. Bee, fee. Keep, deep. Okay, children, these are the rhyming words. You can write the rhyming words together, children, in your books. Now we have come to the last part, that is the homework. Collect pictures and make a project on honey making. Read the full lesson and comprehend. Try the recipe of apple milk shake. Scan the QR code from Diksha app and complete the activities. Thank you, children. Have a great day. Myself, Mrs. Nasreen Taj, GMPS Bashettihalli, Dodballapur, Bangalore Rural District.